Hello there, my friends. So this is the GOODaaa solar power bank with hand crank generator. So you can hand crank it or solar powered. So I showed you guys in the last video how to put this lanyard attachment on here. It came with it. So what about the USB-C? Like, there's no compartment for it or anything. I don't know. What should I do with that? I'm going to lose this. How am I going to, what am I going to, let's see here. Oh, why wouldn't I just use this carabiner and loop this through like this and then go like this, tighten this thing up. And now I got my cord with me all the time and I don't have to worry about it. How about that? It might also fit in there too if you're really like creative about it. But this is pretty cool. You can still have enough play in here to hook this onto a belt loop or a loop on your, on your belt or onto a backpack. So, all right, guys, have any questions about this charger? Look at this wireless charging here. Let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.